Welcome to Lush Loom, where we specialize in transforming worship spaces with premium mosque carpets that combine comfort, elegance, and style. Our mission is to create prayer environments that are not only visually stunning but also provide a serene and peaceful experience for every worshiper. From the soft texture underfoot to the luxurious patterns, every detail is carefully crafted to enhance your mosque interiors. Comfortable Mosque Carpets Dubai. Our comfortable mosque carpets in Dubai are designed for ultimate softness and a serene prayer experience. Each carpet is made from high-quality fibers that provide a gentle feel underfoot, making every step peaceful and soothing. The carefully chosen materials ensure that worshippers feel comfortable, whether performing prayers, sitting, or walking across the mosque hall. Why choose us for mosque carpets? Why choose Lush Loom for your mosque carpets? Because we value precision, attention to detail, and quality craftsmanship. Every project is handled with care, from measuring the prayer hall to ensuring perfectly aligned rows and patterns. Our carpets not only enhance the beauty of your mosque but also create a harmonious, organized environment that complements the spiritual atmosphere. Durable and premium carpets for mosque. Our mosque carpets are durable, premium, and long-lasting, specifically designed to withstand heavy foot traffic without losing comfort or elegance. Whether it's daily prayers or large gatherings, Lush Loom carpets maintain their softness, color, and design for years, ensuring that your mosque always looks inviting and well-maintained. Mosque Carpet Products. Lush Loom offers a wide range of mosque carpet products, from traditional designs to modern patterns. Every carpet can be customized to match your prayer hall's unique style and architecture. We ensure that the colors, patterns, and textures harmonize with the overall aesthetics of your mosque, creating a cohesive and elegant look. Get personalized namaz carpets in Dubai. Make your mosque truly unique with personalized namaz carpets. Lush Loom allows you to tailor the design, pattern, and layout according to your mosque's specific needs. Personalized carpets can include custom prayer rows, logos, or subtle design elements to reflect the identity and spiritual environment of your space. Outro. Upgrade your mosque with premium, comfortable, and durable carpets by Lush Loom. Our team is ready to guide you through every step, from selecting the perfect design to professional installation, ensuring your mosque is transformed into a space of beauty, serenity, and elegance. Contact us today to discuss your project and bring the Lush Loom touch to your prayer hall.